sway. An old bear greets the break of day with a cup of coffee steaming and bright. He sips the warmth, basking in the light. Pages turn in a book, oh so sweet. Korean whispers dance with the beat. Laughter echoes through the morning air. Joyful moments, nothing can compare. Sunrise paints the sky in hues of gold. A tale of wisdom in his heart unfolds. With every sip, he savors the view. Life's simple pleasures forever true. Sunrise paints the sky in hues of gold. A tale of wisdom in his heart